In this video, I am going to show you how to add Google Maps to your website using Elfsight. 1. Head over to elfsight.com and select the Google Maps widget from the menu. 2. Click on Create Widget. You can find the direct link in the video description. Customize your Google Maps widget according to your preferences. On the Content tab, specify the categories, languages, and contact info, layers, and locations panel. Adjust the map settings and appearances on the Style tab. Once you're satisfied with the customization, click Install to add the widget to your website. After you do that, you will be headed to a page where you can see an HTML code. Copy the HTML code and then head to your WordPress website. Add an HTML block and copy and paste the HTML code provided by Elfsight. Click Save, and now you have successfully added your Google Maps widget on your website. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.